guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jet. So for today's video, today is the 4th day Eid holiday in Doha, Qatar. So we went last night here in Dhukan. So as you can see, this is the Dhukan area. There is no much I can show you here. All bacon. But as you can see, the sunrise is not here, I guess, as per Morally. So I'm with Morally. Morally, say hi to my vlog. I have with Glenn. Say Glenn. Say hi, Glenn. Mac Mac.
Hi guys.
And Miss Jenny. Of course. Good morning, good morning. So as you can see, this is Dhukan area. It's quite far in Doha, very far. As you can see, you may seems like on a province. So we will just walk around. 1 second. So here, all family are welcome. At night, you can do everything here. Unlike in Doha, here it's very good place to go for enjoy the night. You can bring your video okay with you. You can sing all out loud. Same as last night. So the place was good, the place is cozy, the place is great, but it's kind of cold. So maybe it's better to come here in the summertime. So guys, everyone is welcome here. It's quite far, but it's very good. So come and visit here in Dhukan. Yes. So only the thing is you bring your own water. There is no comfort area here as of now. So it's very hard. At night it's okay, but in the morning it's quite it's actually quite difficult. Okay, so just bring water with you, more water. Okay, so guys, please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.